It was a Saturday morning, it was my day off. I got called by my boss telling us that there was a tapir trapped in San Isidro in a trench in someone's house. It's very uncommon for tapirs to walk so much into someone's property. What happened is that apparently from Braulio Carrillo, from the national park, a cat attacked the tapir. And he ran so fast, so far, that he went into the town and got trapped in the trench. And he couldn't get out because he was really tired and he was hurt.
¿Ves aquí?
Tapirs are the largest neotropical mammal. They can weigh up to 300 kilos, and they have a key role when it comes to forest restoration and maintenance. That's why they are considered the gardeners of the forest.
We packed up everything we had. We prepared the dart gun and everything. So when we went there, the tapir was trapped in a trench between two properties inside of a hole.
Right now in Costa Rica, we live in a context where wildlife encounters with people are increasing. We attended a case of a tapir that was found injured in Heredia, close to human settlements. We attended the case with SINAC, local communities, and a major role of the Toucan Rescue Ranch, where they provided all the vet assistantship.
I basically climbed up to a tree and was upside down. One of the Minai officers was holding my hand so I couldn't fall. And with a really long injector, I was on my side, and I injected him. And after we injected him, they pulled him out when he was tranquilized, and then we have to inject him other 3 times to make sure he falls completely asleep. I do remember that pulling him out was very difficult. I remember everyone pulling the rope to take him out of the trench, and at the same time being ready to run because we couldn't have him very anesthetized. We needed him to be able to walk out of the trench. And then we have to inject him very fast so he could fall asleep so we can work on him. With me there was my boss, Janet, the veterinary director, and my 2 interns, Andres and Santiago. And between the 4 of us, we were going around the tapir, patching him up, the stitching really fast, putting antibiotic. We talked to Minai people and they were on our side. They want him back into the wild as fast as possible. So we carry him on a blanket that the owner of the property lent us. We put him on the car. So on the back of the car there was Andres and Esteban, the night conservation person, 2 of the Minai officers. I was going in the front with Janet, and we were just passing hands anesthesia in case the tapir will wake up.
It was really, really important to be able to be there and translocate the animal to a safe location. There were some risks in the area, like dogs, cars, so we needed to move the animal up to the forest.
We took him really up on the mountain, really close to Braulio Carrillo, and then we put him down the car, and then we have to wait 3 to 4 hours for him to fully wake up. And then he woke up and he kept trying to go back into town. So we made a human barrier, trying to scare him until eventually he decided to go back into the forest.
Adiós. Cuídate, Mar.
When we see a tapir, we're talking about less than 5,000 individuals worldwide. So every individual counts. And being able to provide the proper conditions so it can be returning back to the forest immediately, that's key for its survival. Rescue centers can provide a key role for conservation when it comes to rescuing those individuals that can be really valuable for the species survival.
After this, we were really, really excited because he was successful. And it was the first time that Minai completely trusted us with an animal that was out of the usual animals we received. It was really, really fun. It was difficult but fun.